In this video, we will demonstrate how to install the PrintSet5 Honeywell printer utility and add a USB port printer to it. PrintSet5 is the Honeywell printer utility. Using this you can configure different printer settings. There are 3 ways to add an active printer into PrintSet5: via serial, via network connection, or via USB. First, go to hsmftp.honeywell.com and access the download portal, where you can find the PrintSet5 utility. Navigate to the following path. Go to Software, Printers, Printer Software and Drivers, Printer Configuration Tools, PrintSet5, Current. To install PrintSet5 utility on a Windows operating system, locate the download.exe file and double-click on it. Read and accept all license agreements, then follow the installation wizard. Click on the Install button. Once the installation is complete, click on the Finish button. Before adding the printer and PrintSet5 utility, make sure you have InterDriver installed for the USB connection. Proceed with opening PrintSet5 utility, and click on the Add Printer icon at the top left of the PrintSet5 window. On the Welcome page, click the Next button to continue. On the Connection Type page, select USB and then click the Next button to continue. Once the spyglass stops circling, the search is complete. Once the printer is found, a picture and a short description will be displayed. Click the Next button to continue. Click on the Finish button to complete the Add Printer wizard. The printer will be added to the printers listing in the left-hand PrintSet5 panel. Click on the printer icon and select the configuration option from the drop-down. You can see all printer settings in the right panel. Modify desired printer settings, then click the Save button, and click the Apply button. Thank you for watching.